We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the ERMUHEY Know Your Car. Warning Lights Mechanics, Funny Sarcastic Sign. This metal tin sign is designed as a humorous yet practical wall decor piece, measuring 12 by 8 inches and made from recyclable tin. It comes with ropes for easy hanging and can be mounted on various surfaces, including walls, doors, or fences using zip ties, screws, or nails. This versatility makes it suitable for indoor and outdoor use, whether in a home, office, restaurant, bedroom, or man cave. Users consistently praise the sign for its humor and quality. Many find it to be a perfect gift for car enthusiasts or anyone who appreciates witty automotive decor. The sarcastic and funny messages about car warning lights are a hit, often described as one of the most amusing garage or office decorations they have encountered. The sign's high-quality metal construction is noted as impressive given its affordable price point. Several reviewers mentioned that it arrived well packaged and in excellent condition, ready to be displayed immediately. The sign's design and content serve as both a decorative piece and a lighthearted reminder to pay attention to car dashboard warning lights. This dual purpose has made it popular among those who want to add personality to their workspace or garage while also promoting car maintenance awareness. Some users specifically mention placing it where younger or less experienced drivers can see it, hoping it encourages them to be more mindful of their vehicle's alerts. While the overall reception is very positive, a few users have noted that shipping times can be longer than expected. Despite this, the quality and humor of the sign seem to outweigh the weight. The color of the print may vary slightly from what is seen on screens due to different display types, but this has not been a significant issue for most buyers. The sign weighs just under 6 ounces, making it lightweight and easy to hang without requiring heavy-duty mounting hardware. Its neon-style light type is mentioned in the product details, though the sign itself is a printed metal piece rather than an actual light source. In terms of usability, the included ropes and mounting accessories simplify installation. Users have found it straightforward to hang the sign in various locations, from home garages to office walls and even outdoor patios. The metal material ensures durability, allowing it to withstand different environments without damage. From a design perspective, the multicolor print is vibrant and eye-catching, contributing to its appeal as a conversation starter. The sarcastic tone resonates well with those who enjoy automotive humor and adds a unique touch to typical wall decor options. On the downside, the sign's humor may not appeal to everyone, especially those unfamiliar with car warning lights or who prefer more traditional decor. Additionally, the relatively small size might limit its visibility in larger spaces. Overall, the ERMUHEY Know Your Car Warning Lights Mechanics Funny Sarcastic Sign is a delightful blend of humor, practicality, and quality craftsmanship. It stands out as an affordable and entertaining gift option for car lovers and a quirky addition to any home or office environment. If you own this sign or plan to get one, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. This sign is a must-have for anyone looking to add a bit of laughter and personality to their garage or workspace while reminding themselves and others to pay attention to car maintenance. Its combination of funny content, durable materials, and ease of installation make it a standout choice in automotive decor. Whether for personal use or as a gift, it brings joy and practical value to everyday life. In conclusion, the ERMUHEY metal tin sign has earned a strong reputation for being both amusing and well-made. It is highly recommended for those who appreciate clever, automotive-themed decorations that are easy to mount and suitable for a variety of settings. The positive feedback from users worldwide confirms its appeal and effectiveness as a decorative reminder about car warning lights. If you have experience with this product, please share your thoughts in the comments. Your input helps build a community of informed buyers and enthusiasts. Thank you for considering this review as you explore unique and functional decor options.